Hello beautiful people, gorgeous as my beautiful shower gel. Yes, this is what I'll be teaching you how to produce today. I'll be teaching you how to produce a very simple yet very quality commercial standard shower gel. Yes, this is what I'll be teaching you today. So just relax, stay back and learn as I take you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. Okay, so here we are. Let me run you through the list of items I'll be using to produce this simple shower gel. We'll be making about 2.5 liters of shower gel. So first is our Texapon, S-L-E-S, Texapon. It will be acting as our base. We'll be using Texapon. Don't worry, relax. I'll be putting the quantities, the full recipe at the end of the video. So just relax and enjoy the video. Don't bother your head. That is our Cocamide, DEA. I'll be using that, and also our Glycerin. As you know, Glycerin is a very powerful humectant. It moisturizes and keeps our body moisturized. I'll be adding that, and this is our table salt, cooking salt, sodium chloride. And this is my fragrance, and this is my vitamin E. I am adding that just for what it will be doing to my skin, and that is my color. That is mica color. I'll be using color pink. I'll be adding it. I want it a little bit deeper, so I'll be adding ordinary pink, watercolor pink to it also. And that is our water. I'll be using 2 liters of water. I'll be using 2 liters. So I use 500 grams of Texapon. Ensure you have a scale. You cannot produce a very good product without a scale. It is like garbage in, garbage out. And that is my bottles. We have very beautiful and fanciful bottles in the market. You can go get one. But I am not doing this for sale. I am doing this to teach you because I've gotten a lot of requests to do these videos. That's why I'm doing it. So I'm doing this to teach you, and at the end, I'll be using it myself. That's why I'm using that bottle. But for you that want to sell it, go to the market. There are beautiful bottles in the market. You know, packaging matters when it comes to sales. So package it beautifully so that you can sell. So here we go. Like I said, I'm using Texapon 500 grams. I'm using my table salt. I use 80 grams. But don't worry, relax. I have added the full recipe at the end of the video. So just enjoy the video. Don't bother yourself. Don't bother your head about the recipe. Don't bother your head about writing it down. I have included it at the end of the video. So just mix. That's my table salt and my Texapon. Just mix very, very well. Mix it until it is well blended and the Texapon is well dissolved. It's a very simple process, so just enjoy it. So I'm mixing. In case you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Ogechi Madukoma. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Sincerely, you will not regret stopping here. Please ensure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I upload content like this. You'll be glad you did. You're welcome to the family. So I'm measuring my water. I'm measuring 2 liters of water, but I'll be doing that one after the other. Like I said, I'll be adding them gradually. That is 1 liter. So just follow me. It's very simple, very, very simple, very basic. This is the simplest of all. And it's also very, very profitable and also very luxury. Very, very gorgeous. Very, very beautiful. So I'm adding my water gradually while I am stirring. So just as I'm stirring, it's becoming thicker. I'm adding more water, it's becoming thicker. So just continue adding your water while you stir. If you're stopping by here for the first time, I say welcome to the family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, as you will not regret you did, as I upload beautiful and educative meaningful content weekly. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking by me. Despite my shortcomings, despite my going away from time to time, you're still with me. Thank you so much. I'm not taking it for granted. I appreciate your being with me. Please ensure you like this video. Please ensure you share. You know there is love in sharing. Share to your WhatsApp groups, all your family WhatsApp group. Please share. Your old student WhatsApp group. Please share. Let this be the value you're bringing to the group. They will appreciate you. They will thank you for sharing. Your family WhatsApp group, your church WhatsApp group, even the groups where you know that this training will be appreciated. Please share it. There's love in sharing. They will thank you for teaching them these skills. Very simple, very basic. So that is, I added another 500 ml of water and I'm stirring it, but at the end I'll be using 2 liters of water. So just add your water and stir. It's very simple, very, very simple. So this is the last 500 ml. So I've added 1.5 ml plus 500, which is 2 liters, 2,000 ml of water. So I wanted to use my whisk, but I noticed that maybe I introduced the whisk, it increased the bubble. And you know, you don't want so much bubble so that it can settle fast. So I removed the whisk. I decided to use my spatula. So I'm just stirring gently with my spatula because once I introduced the whisk, the bubble increased. So I had to remove it and I used just my spatula. So I just adding my water and blending and mixing and stirring just to ensure that it is well blended. This thing is so beautiful. Don't mind me, I'm so sorry. I love this. I love the end. So I'm adding my glycerin. Glycerin here is an humectant. It helps moisturize the body. As we know, this shower gel will be used for bathing. So we want anything that will touch our skin to add value, to be as food to our skin. So this glycerin will help moisturize the skin. So I've added 100 ml of glycerin. So just don't bother about the quantity. Like I said, the full recipe is at the end of the video. I'll also put it in the description. So it will be at the end and also in the description. So just check the description, you will see the full recipe. So I'm adding my CDA, Cocamide DEA. In short form, it is called CDA. So if you go to market, tell them you want to buy Cocamide. Some people will call it Cocamide. Well, it is Cocamide DEA. Cocamide DEA. Or you just say CDEA. They will give it to you. So I'm adding it. This will give a shower gel that extra foam. It will aid, it will boost the foaming ability of this shower gel. As we want the foaming, the lathering to be luxurious, that's what we'll be getting here. So I'm stirring it, I am loving it. Hope you're loving it also. If you're loving it, please can you give me a like now? Give me a thumbs up, Biko. Give me a thumbs up so that YouTube shows it to more people that needs to see it. If you like this video, you're adding value to someone, because the more likes it gets, the more YouTube shows it to more people. You don't know who you are helping by liking this video. So I'm adding my vitamin E. I am adding that because vitamin E is food to the skin. You know, you can always if you know how to do these things, you know the basics, you can always customize them to suit you. You can decide to add rich things that will add as in to your skin. So I'm adding vitamin E. I added a little, I'm adding my color. This is my mica color. I'm adding you can add any color. You can add ordinary color if you don't have mica color, but I'm adding it. I'll also add ordinary watercolor just to make the pink deeper. I just added this color to give it that shiny sparkle, even though this mica I bought did not give me the mica effect, but yet it is fine. Our product is coming up very beautifully. It's coming up very well, very beautifully. Your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I can't do without thanking you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It is a video that you'll be glad you watch. It is value packed. Okay, so I wanted to make it deeper, so I added a little bit more of color, but I'll still add the watercolor just to give me that. If you can add your color just to your taste, just to give you that deep pink color, pinkish color. So I'll be adding a little bit of my watercolor pink also, just to make this pink deeper. Are you enjoying this video? If you're enjoying this video, please can you just click the like button. If you're enjoying it, let me know in the comment. Just tell me you're enjoying it. This video is a video that most of you have requested I do. I have gotten so many requests saying, please can you teach us how to make shower gel? Please teach us how to make shower gel. Please teach us. And now I am here fulfilling that request. So just the best you can do for me is just to like it, just to appreciate my effort, just to appreciate my time, Biko. Just like, and if you can, please share to others so that they can benefit from what you are benefiting from. It is for free. Give out value for free. Give out value for free. You know, the Bible even says we should give and it shall be given. Just give this. You don't know what you get back in return. So please share it in all the WhatsApp group you belong to. All those WhatsApp group where sharing is allowed though. I am not a party to sharing in groups where you are not allowed to share. So share to those groups where you are allowed to share. I am adding my fragrance. This is smelling smelling so nice. I am using Cindy. You can use any fragrance of your choice, but here I use Cindy. Very beautiful. It's smelling so nice. The smell is so sweet. What video would you want me to do next? What product would you want me to teach you how to make in my next time? Just leave it in the comment. What would you want to learn again? This shower gel came because a lot of you requested for it. If I get a lot of comment about a particular product again, you will see it here. So just tell me, what would you want me to teach you how to produce again? Just put it in the comment section. I'll be reading it, and it might just be your video that I'll be making on the next video or the next style. You definitely see it here. Can you see how beautiful? This product is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. And it's so simple, very basic. Yet it is very profitable. It is something you will sell. All of you want to sell only bar soap. You want to sell liquid soap. Look at other products that are also very profitable. People are not even doing so much. The competition there, they are not much. And you can make money from there. It must not be just liquid soap and bar soap alone. Look at other products like this shower gel. I'm adding my vitamin E. Okay, this is my preservative. I added vitamin C. This is my preservative. I'm adding preservative because so I can prolong the shelf life. If it is for me that I want to use this at home, I may not need to add preservative, but because I'm teaching you, this will help prolong the shelf life of our shower gel. See how beautiful it is. Can you see? So beautiful. We are done. So I'll just cover it for the ladder to settle, and I'll be right back to show you what we have done. We are back. Can you see how beautiful? See now. See now. This is Can you see how gorgeous it's looking? So shiny. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So let's put it in the bottle and see. Like I said, there are so many beautiful bottles in the market. Go get one for yourself. I'll be using this product at home. I did this video primarily to teach you. I am not selling this product. I am using it for myself. I teach you, I use it. So please use a funnel. Don't be like me. Use a funnel or a filler if you have a filling machine. So just get the beautiful bottles in the market that can, they say it's the eye that will eat first. Packaging, branding sells. When you package your product it will command respect. It will command higher amounts. When you tell somebody this thing is, they will not want to ask, they will not want to price. They will pay because of the packaging. So please ensure you get beautiful packaging and packaging. Okay, let's do the test. Let's see if this shower gel will ladder. Let's do the test. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's go. Come with me. Let's go. Can you see? Can you see how it is forming? Can you see? Have you liked this video? If you have not liked it, you are not doing me a good oh. Please like. See now, see foam, see ladder. Please ensure you like this video. Ensure you have subscribed. Please, I'm begging you. And please do well to share. Share to every group where you belong to. Just share, share, share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So here comes the recipe. You can screenshot it or write it down. Thank you.